Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is the Fermentos. Ito yung unang vlog namin dalawa with me and Kat, yung ating camera lady. Yeah! And we just got our DJI Osmo Pocket 40. The most memorable way, to be honest. Kasi nga, like if you watched my TikTok video before, when we got our first unit, we need to return it right away sa service center kasi nagkaroon siyang gimbal protection error. Okay, so if in case it happens to you guys, dapat solid nyo agad siya within the service warranty period. Okay? Without any scratches. Alright, kasi dapat syempre in good condition siya. And yun. Tapos, kung for any error, solid nyo agad para mapalitan nila agad yung unit niyo. Sabi naman nila kapag may available unit ka agad, especially for older versions ng camera or gadget, napalitan naman sa service center ka agad. Pag within the service period ha. But if in case hindi, katulad ng size namin, ito, we needed to wait 5 days, pero para sa akin, okay na rin. It's working properly now. Yeah. Ang naging main error kasi sa amin is gimbal protection error. So it could be considered as a minor issue kasi nga, once you manually put it upright, yung camera, mawala niyang error. So gagana na ulit siya. You can use it as it is na. Pero syempre sa amin, kabago-bago pa lang may ganong agad error. Ayaw namin hindi papayag. So rin namin kagad sa service center and finally, after 5 days of waiting, we got it right away. Ito na yun ngayon. So, we went there, Shinoro sa service center ng Saturday morning. We were informed na we'll be in contact through Viber. Tapos yun, hingan din kami ng unboxing video. Buti lang meron kami. I mean, naglalaro-laro lang kami nun without thinking na magkakaroon ng problem. But buti lang, meron kami na-provide. And then, after 5 days, from Saturday, today is Thursday, we got the unit sa amin. And it was also delivered sa amin, sa doorstep namin. Yung galing nga daw kasi siya, in case hindi mo na mapalitan yung unit dun sa may service center, you can get it again the way you bought, how you first bought it. So, nasa store yan, sa store ulit. In our case, we ordered it online, so we also got it back online. Right? Aren't you happy, my love? Yeah, she is so happy. Meron na kayong panibagong pang vlog na camera dito. DJI Osmo Pocket 40. She really want it. Yeah, like last year nag-plan kami bumili. But di mo na siyang materialize kasi we're already traveling. So priority muna yun. But now, mapabuklat kami ng travel na. Kasi meron namin DJI Osmo Pocket 40 and we're happy about it. Yeah, pati yung flipping camera niya. And dito rin sa kanyang, may kasama siyang microphone na ganito. Part siya ng vlog combo So again, if in case bibili kayo ng unit ng DJI Osmo Pocket 40, it could be just the camera or the one with these accessories for the vlog combo package. Alright, of course, there's a price difference with it kasi mga gadgets to. Andito rin tong, I forgot what's it called?
Remote control.
Other than that, there's a term for that. But yeah, it's remote control lang naman yan. Yan. Tapos ito yung kanyang magnetic light. Tapos yung para sa may microphone ninyo. I forgot what you call this filter, but whatever it is, yan. I'm just so happy about it. And we got the tripod, of course, andun sa may nakabit sa camera ngayon. And the pouch. Diba? You also got the pouch. But syempre, para sa akin, I would still prefer na magkaroon tayo ng hard case. No? Kasi yung iba nga, yung pinang-comment nila, like, wala siyang hard case, nakasama. Dapat meron eh. In my opinion, dapat mas maganda meron na. Instead, we got the pouch. But I guess, okay lang din, you're just gonna order one for protection. Kasi syempre pag magta-travel ka, kailangan mo pa rin ng hard case. Like, hindi mo pwedeng na agad. Paano pag nasa mga damit mo sa luggage, may ipit, mabali? You don't want that from happening, of course. You'd rather have it with a nice hard case, which we will probably order now. Guys, that's it for our first vlog and unboxing video. I-unbox na rin yung mga items na nabibili nyo online kasi baka recording kayo pag magpapareplace kayo ng unit. So yun lang. Thank you so much guys for watching and see you again soon. Bye!